Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer with the error code 0xc007000d in Windows Update. So if you're coming across this error in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result, check them back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter from the list. And then once that's done, hopefully it would be able to resolve the problem. If not, open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should say command prompt, right click on it, and then run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now type in SFC space / scan out. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that has concluded, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer at this time. So there you go, guys. Hopefully now at this point, if you check for Windows updates, you should not be experiencing this issue with the update error 0xc007000d any longer. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.